So the problem with these is this top part has these ridges which make it really tight and hard to push in. Down here is real easy. It just slides in. So you'll see what I mean in a second here. You see that kind of like, looks like jaws or teeth up here. Down here is, if you look, it's a straight edge. So it's not the same resistance and grip. So here's the problem. I'm gonna slide this on here. And these ones slide very, as I say that, slide on, slides, and then, okay, that is on there now. And now, so that has little resistance, but as soon as I push this down into here, see, it's not fitting. I'm gonna have to apply some force to it, and it pops off. And so I do this one too on the back, and see, it has resistance. I can just slide it in, and you see it popped off. So that's kind of the joy that you're gonna have with these. I do not recommend buying them. Aside from that, I was agitated that each of them have this nice little branding logo on it, C&AHOME, that does not show up in their pictures. So yeah, these are getting returned.